Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can book hotels and flights with Condor. So let's get straight into it. So what we will need to do is use Condor vacation page. So if you go here to the us.condorvacations.condor.com, you will get to this web page, and this is our access portal where we will select everything. Okay, so we can start now. So in the search vacation packages, you can select right here stays, flights, cars. So I will select stays and flights. Now what I need to do, I will just hit here leaving from, and I will need to type in my location, going to where we are going. Let's say that we are going to, let's go to the Grand Canaria Island. So I will hit that destination. So when we will go right here to something like that. Done. And what we can do now is just hit the search button right over here. Okay, so now we need to select where we will stay. So as you can see right here, we have some of the hotels right over here. All right. Now you just need to select what you like. So here is your taste and style to select what you want. So I saw right here one room, this one right here. It's okay for me, so I can hit that one. As you can see, it's not much. It's like that. Here you can select uh, your room. So I will select that one like so. All right. So as you can see now, we have flight at 7 a.m. and it will be 9 hours and 35 minutes like that. So I have selected that one because this is the only one. So select. All right. Then this is back home ticket. So I will also select that one like so. Just to need, we need to wait a little bit that page loads up like that. We have now price for our vacation. Then here you can also change fare, change flight, uh, both way from Berlin or from Gran Canaria. Right here you can also select the tours and activities if you want. So you can check that also if you find something interesting. When you are happy with that, just hit next final details. You will put here your name, some informations, and you can put in here your payment. And when you are done with that, you just hit here the button complete booking, and that's it. And you have reserved yourself a flying ticket and the hotel. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.